So today we're designing a closet for our client George.
So George lives in the city of New York, and he's a single guy, and he travels a lot. He's always on the road, and he just bought a beautiful apartment in the city downtown. So we're designing a closet for him. So Santi and I always come into our little closet here in the office, and it kind of gives us some inspiration. And so we thought it would be a good opportunity to give you 7 tips, not 6, but 7 tips on closet design.
Number 1, go vertical. Not the closet high horizontal. Go as high as you can. Even if it's custom made, you'll have the use of the upper shelf for winter clothing or out of things that you rarely use. So
Because a lot of people just go up to the rail, which would be 9 feet in most closets. Even if you're renting an apartment, that's typically what it is. But if you just put a shelf above that, that's a really nice place to store things.
okay.
Number 2, lighting.
Oh my God, that's my favorite thing, and I think here we discuss a lot. I am a guy that likes in the closet kind of yellowish light, like the sunlight. So the blue is blue and the green is green and the black is black and the dark blue is dark blue. I know you don't like it.
No. I mean, if you have natural light in your closet, that's the best thing if you have a window, but a lot of people don't have that luxury. Most people don't.
have it.
I am very old-fashioned. I like fluorescent lights, which I can't stand. I never promote fluorescent lights, okay? However, in a closet, I do like them because it's so bright.
They distort the colors and destroy the colors and the textures, but okay, I mean,
I guess
this is a question of
personal
also taste and preference, yeah.
And I also don't like recessed lighting in a closet.
No.
Because I feel like it's very spotty and you don't really get to see the clothes.
It's nicer to have like central lighting that evolves throughout, or track lights that you can kind of like bathe the whole closet.
Right, even that I don't love, but
I do.
okay. We bathe
Third,
different.
3,
Know your wardrobe.
okay.
So if
Do you fold pants? Do you put them on the boat? I mean, what type of shoes you have? Do you fold your shirts? Do you hang your shirts? So you got to know what is your style of storing and folding, and
make the closet fit you. Don't just get the closet and say, oh wow, I see these gorgeous closets on Instagram and they look so beautiful, I'm going to copy that. Well, don't, because they don't have your lifestyle. So make it work for you. Number 5, don't ignore, oh no, I skipped one. Number 4, design visibility.
Here we also have a difference. Tell me.
Okay, I like when I can see everything. I like to see my shoes, my clothes, my everything. So when I buy a pair of shoes, I get an acrylic box and I put them in the box because I'm also a neat freak, and that way everything stays clean.
I'm kind of a little bit more of a disorder, and I like to have the bins where you can kind of like put things inside, or boxes like this that you can put like your underwear and things like that.
But you like them where you can't see it?
I know which box has what, in what shelf they are, but I kind of like to have like a very organized closet and not all these things that are kind of
So
missing.
seeing all those things for you is a distraction.
It is kind of like too much information.
Okay.
That's my personal.
Right, so again, it's personal. I like where I can
There you
see
go.
everything. Okay.
Right.
Here we go. Number 5, don't ignore the floor.
That's a good one, because you're barefooted when you're kind of getting dressed. So my suggestion is wood floor
Or vinyl.
or vinyl.
Or vinyl. Vinyl's very inexpensive. Some people
Easy
like
to clean, easy to maintain.
Some people like carpet, which is fine too, but it can be hard cleaning it. And I feel like vinyl or wood is very much more sanitary. Number 6.
Health.
I can't read my handwriting. What does this say?
Mold, I think it was.
No, that was 7. No, oh no, yeah, number 6, watch for mold, you're right. I can't read my own handwriting.
So it's a big issue. So have it, the humidifier.
Say it 5 times fast. It's the cutest accent in the world.
Dehumidifier.
Yeah, put a dehumidifier in your closet, a small one, and we're going to practice that after. Put a small dehumidifier in. Oh, even I have problems with that word. Okay, I can't make you see.
You see?
Karma.
Okay, yeah, right.
Right. No, but if you put a small dehumidifier in your closet, that's a really nice thing, because most closets are small, especially again if you're renting. They're typically small closets and they can get kind of stinky, so you want to keep everything fresh. You want your clothes to smell fresh. And number 7, cedar.
Moss.
Right. Go ahead.
Moss. So a lot of people use red cedar or natural cedar as a protection for
Moths.
moss, and I think it's a very luxurious look. It is very expensive. and it has some issues. The fumes and the odor or whatever is too strong for me, and I'm more like free of any smell or anything that can cause any type of allergies or asthma.
Right, because there is a link between cedar closets and
And asthma.
asthma, even though it's considered to be a natural product. So what you can do is you can put together some, what was it,
It was
lavender, thyme, and
lavender,
wait, did I write it down?
and
Lavender, thyme, and rosemary. If you mix those herbs together, that keeps moths away. They don't like the smell of it. So
do
hope
we
this
have the
helps.
7?
That was 7.
The green duo.